Once you have set up a file, either from scratch or by importing data, you can run into the situation where the on-site work has been executed slightly differently. Often this can be prevented through working in a systematic way, and by instructing the installers correctly. However, if changes to the designer file need to be made, the following tools might help. 1. If you need to make adjustments to the patching, you can obviously make them on the Patch tab. But you can also select fixtures in the patching order, and create a group. The selected order is remembered, and in the patch window you can drag this group to the patch field. This works for all fixture types. And it works for the VLC as well. It is for patching convenience why groups are now available on the VLC tab. 2. In the patch window, you can easily reverse the order of a group, before dragging it onto the patch map. This can be very convenient when fixtures are installed from right to left instead of left to right. 3. In the patch window, you can cut, copy and paste patched universes. This is possible for single or multiple universes, and between different protocols and controllers. 4. If you need to adjust the position of your fixtures, and want to update the order of the fixtures in the group, you can use the reordering feature to adjust the order of the fixtures. 5. If a line of fixtures has been installed from the incorrect side, the Transform tool offers a quick way to mirror the layout. The Adjust tool allows you to both transform and rotate fixtures to the correct direction of multi-element fixtures. 6. You can change the fixture type by right-clicking and following the instructions. This applies when your fixtures have a different color order, or if it is used in a different mode. This action cannot deal with different node counts, but it will deal with different footprints. 7. If you need to modify your template, right-click and make the adjustments as required. This applies when your fixtures have different spacing, color order or pixel type. After adjusting a template, you will need to manually reload the template to have the changes take effect. 8. If you need to make more advanced changes, exporting and importing can be a quick way to make many changes using the advanced features available, for example, in Microsoft Excel. 9. Pharos offers a highlight feature. If enabled, the selected fixtures should turn on in the actual installation. Use the Alt key to only select part of a composite fixture or part of a fixture template. This feature is available on the Patch tab too. It is convenient to quickly verify the setup is as expected in any type of installation. 10. Besides highlight, you can park fixtures from the controller's web interface. Parking allows you to override one or a section of lights to a specific value. Park only affects those fixtures, giving you complete freedom for any testing with Designer. Simply unpark to get your lights back to the default behavior. This brings us to the end of this tutorial video for working with large channel count projects. There is one more video for your convenience that shows how to export data from third-party programs for use in Designer. I hope you have learned that Pharos Designer offers a lot of tools to make commissioning of even the largest projects easy. Thank you for watching.